Titanic, a name that echoes through history, synonymous with both unparalleled grandeur and profound tragedy. It was hailed as an engineering marvel, a symbol of human ambition, and famously, the unsinkable ship. But its maiden voyage would become one of the most infamous maritime disasters ever recorded, forever changing the world. Join us as we explore the incredible story of the Titanic, from its ambitious conception to its lasting impact. The dream of the Titanic began with the White Star Line, aiming to build the largest and most luxurious ships. Construction took place at the Harland and Wolff shipyard in Belfast, a monumental undertaking of engineering. Thousands of skilled laborers worked tirelessly to bring this colossal vessel to life, piece by painstaking piece. At over 882 feet long and 92 feet wide, the Titanic was the largest ship afloat, a true floating city. Its interiors were designed with unparalleled opulence, rivaling the finest hotels and palaces of the era. From grand staircases to Turkish baths, every detail exuded luxury, catering to its elite passengers. Advanced engineering, including watertight compartments, led many to believe the Titanic was truly unsinkable. This confidence, however, would prove to be a tragic overestimation of human ingenuity against nature's power. On April 10, 1912, the Titanic embarked on its maiden voyage from Southampton to New York City. Thousands of passengers, from all walks of life, filled its decks, each with their own hopes and dreams. First-class elites enjoyed unparalleled luxury, while third-class immigrants sought new beginnings in America. Life on board was a microcosm of society, with distinct social distinctions across its many decks. Days were filled with fine dining, leisurely strolls, and lively conversations. As the ship sailed westward, the journey was smooth, filled with optimism, until the fateful night of April 14th. Warnings of icebergs had been received by the crew, but tragically, some were dismissed or not acted upon. The ship was traveling at nearly full speed through the icy North Atlantic, a dangerous decision. At 11:40 p.m., lookouts spotted an iceberg directly in the ship's path, too late to avoid impact. The Titanic scraped along the iceberg's side, creating a series of gashes below the waterline. Initially, many passengers and crew were unaware of the severity of the damage, believing it was a minor bump. But water quickly began pouring into the forward compartments, sealing the ship's fate. The realization dawned: the unsinkable ship was indeed sinking. Orders were given to prepare the lifeboats. Tragically, there were only enough lifeboats for about half of the people on board. A critical oversight, the women and children first protocol was enforced, leading to heartbreaking farewells and difficult choices. Many lifeboats were launched partially empty, due to confusion, fear, and the lack of proper training. As the bow dipped lower, the stern rose higher, revealing the ship's massive propellers against the night sky. The ship's structure groaned under the immense strain, and at approximately 2:18 a.m., it broke apart. The forward section plunged into the icy depths, followed shortly by the stern, disappearing beneath the waves. The chaos was immense, filled with the cries of those struggling in the freezing water. Amidst the tragedy, stories of heroism emerged, of individuals sacrificing themselves for others. The ship's band famously played on, providing comfort until the very end, a testament to their courage. The North Atlantic's icy waters claimed over 1,500 lives, a devastating loss. Hours later, the RMS Carpathia arrived, responding to the Titanic's distress calls. Its crew worked tirelessly to rescue the survivors from the lifeboats, bringing them to safety. Of the approximately 2,200 people on board, only about 700 survived the ordeal. The disaster sparked immediate inquiries in both the United States and the United Kingdom. These investigations led to significant reforms in maritime safety regulations worldwide. The International Ice Patrol was established, and the SOLAS Convention set new standards for ship safety. The Titanic's story has been immortalized in countless books, films, and works of art. Its cultural legacy continues to fascinate and resonate with new generations. In 1985, Robert Ballard and his team discovered the wreck of the Titanic, nearly 2.5 miles below the surface. The discovery provided invaluable insights into the disaster and the ship's final moments. The Titanic remains a powerful reminder of human ambition, technological limits, and the unpredictable forces of nature. Its story continues to captivate and educate us, urging us to learn from the past. The The Titanic's legacy is an enduring blend of human ingenuity, tragic oversight, and profound human stories. It reminds us that even the grandest creations are vulnerable, and vigilance is always paramount. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of the Titanic.